For more than 20 years, enzymatic therapy has been helping people improve their health and their lives. Along the way, we've earned a reputation for developing innovative, science-based nutritional supplements that deliver results. The essence of our company is best summed up in the simple yet powerful vision put forth by Terry Lemerond, the man who started enzymatic therapy.
We're not here to pack vitamin supplements in bottles. We are here to change the health of America.
Today, this philosophy resonates through every aspect of our business. By focusing on helping people live healthier, more fulfilling lives, we continue to revolutionize the natural supplements industry.
One of the things I feel most proud about is that enzymatic therapy was founded on some very positive virtues and on a principle-based business model. Those are exactly the things that we run the business on today. And the highest of all of our principles is that we have a sincere and absolute appreciation and respect for people. That means the clients that we're trying to serve, our retail partners and customers, and also our own associates. All of our associates here are focused on helping consumers improve their health by partnering with our retail customers and by providing the best in the way of products and services.
Imagine a health food store without glucosamine sulfate, ginkgo biloba, saw palmetto, or milk thistle. These are just a few of the products introduced by enzymatic therapy that have helped build the nutritional supplements industry in America. Today, products like acidophilus pearls, AM/PM menopause formula, and the fatigued to fantastic energy restoration system are injecting excitement into the industry. Our relentless passion for discovering how natural compounds can benefit the human body drives us to develop products designed to deliver life-changing results.
One thing I think that's different at enzymatic therapy are the people who work in product development. Everyone there comes to us from some kind of helper profession. The very first thing that they think of when we are working on developing products is this safe? Is this effective? How is this going to affect the health of the individuals who use our products?
In addition to transforming the industry through product innovations, we were the first to introduce standardization, which assures consumers of consistent product potency, quality, and purity. And the phytosome process, which improves the absorption and bioavailability of herbal extracts. We regularly consult with our scientific advisory board, made up of some of the brightest minds in natural health. They assist in developing efficacious new products based on the most current clinical and technological information.
One of our unique aspects is the amount of time and money and effort we spend looking at the validity of the products that we bring to our customers. And when I say validity, I mean demonstrable effects on health and also really good data on safety. And a lot of companies just aren't willing to invest that. But I think our customers know the difference of who are the product innovators and who are the ones that are just wannabes.
At Enzymatic Therapy, we produce our nutritional supplements following the most rigorous pharmaceutical standards.
You know, one of the things I think that distinguishes us as an organization is that we run this facility as a Class L pharmaceutical facility. Enzymatic Therapy follows drug GMPs, or good manufacturing practices, as required by federal guidelines. These standards are much more rigorous than that required by the rest of the food industry.
The process starts with the careful selection of high-quality raw materials. Experienced biologists and chemists perform a battery of laboratory tests and inspections to ensure the ingredients meet our exacting specifications. Our scientists carefully follow guidelines established by the U.S. Pharmacopoeia, or USP.
In our facility, we have 24 people engaged in QA and QC activities. We have a 4,500-foot laboratory that has the capability of measuring virtually anything in any supplement that we or anybody else makes.
Using testing methods like high-performance liquid chromatography and atomic absorption spectroscopy, we perform more than 35,000 assays each year to verify the purity, potency, and bioavailability of every product we make. Only after they've passed these exhaustive quality inspections are the ingredients approved for use in our products. In our FDA-registered manufacturing facility, we've put in place a validation program to ensure that we meet or exceed specific predetermined standards for materials and equipment. This includes completely disassembling and cleaning our manufacturing equipment between each product run.
This is significant because many companies that we compete against do not tear their equipment down to clean it. That is not what we do. We clean between each and every product that we manufacture here.
When water is needed, we use only purified distilled water, as recommended by USP guidelines. Many supplement manufacturers use ordinary city tap water. And our HEPA filtration system ensures the air in our facility is 99.9% clean. Finished products are sent back to the lab for final inspection before proceeding to the packaging area. Once approved, enzymatic therapy products must pass multiple quality checks to ensure both the contents and the packaging are ready for your store shelves. Each detailed step is designed to build quality into every product and deliver the results you and your customers demand.
Many times when the consumer walks into a health food store, they are confused by all the different products that are on the shelf. And the retailer is a vital contact to get them the solution they need for their health concerns. There's a lot of things that we can offer as a business partner to the store: advertising, training, sales data, industry data on sales. That's how we want to partner with our customers.
In addition to our field sales professionals, our award-winning customer service staff is just a toll-free phone call away. They're ready to help you with product orders and answer any questions you may have about enzymatic therapy products. For retailers who need instant online access to enzymatic therapy, the members-only section of our website delivers exclusive benefits, including online ordering and the ability to download support materials right from your computer. And our field training program is designed to make sure you and your staff have access to the most comprehensive product information available.
What I hear when I'm out in the field over and over again is education. Retailers really want themselves and their staff to be better educated to help their customers. And that's really what enzymatic therapy's always been about, education. We have staff here to help at any time. We have seminars in-house, out in the field. We'll even do one at your store.
Our goal is to have the best sales organization in this industry. And part of that is bringing information, education, and business plans to you. Going forward, we're going to need to bring real value to the partnerships that we form with our customers. And I see that as great people, great products, and great programs. Because what we're trying to do is mutually reach the business potential that we have with our accounts.
I think the most important thing that retailers need to understand is that enzymatic therapy really does want to be their true business partner. What we want to do is, as we move forward, really set up a relationship that we can help them to grow and so that we can improve their customers' health.
We understand the challenges health food retailers face on a daily basis. Enzymatic therapy helps make your job easier by producing merchandising and educational materials that break through the clutter and help your customers make informed decisions about their health.
The health food store shopper, they're not just looking for a product. They're looking for something that's a part of their life and that fits with their values.
We realize that in order to gain a shopper's attention, we need to connect with them in a way that goes beyond product. Consumers don't buy pills. They buy help, they buy hope, they buy peace of mind, and they buy results. And that's exactly what our materials are designed to communicate.
I think it's important at this time for companies like Enzymatic Therapy who want to continue to innovate to think more about how the customer is shopping and why they're there. And I believe they're there looking at categories of needs. And it's why we've changed our thinking internally to think about product categories. We want to think about the customer's experience within that category and make sure that our products, our literature, and our communication help them to understand why it's a solution to the problem that they face.
Our award-winning creative staff works closely with our brand managers, sales representatives, and retailers to better understand the unique needs of health food store shoppers. The result is some of the industry's most effective merchandising displays, consumer brochures, shelf signage, and third-party literature. We invest substantial resources to bring more people into the natural supplements market through targeted consumer marketing efforts designed to encourage new consumers to visit your store.
We also feel it's part of Enzymatic Therapy's responsibility to help bring interested shoppers into the health food store channel. We want to advertise and make them aware of our unique, innovative products so that they will be drawn into the health food stores to get them and then experience everything else that the health food store has to offer.
One of the things we've really done is investigate how we can improve our total business with our retailers. And we really looked at our business in a number of different ways, but at its core we found that we needed to really restore and elevate some of the basic principles upon which this company was founded.
As we all know, the company was founded on a mission and vision of changing the health of America one person at a time. That vision lives on. We plan to continue to change the health of America, and we have a bigger vision now of how we can do that.
We really are consumer focused, but we also really are linked with our retail customers. And the only organizational chart that counts around here is the one that has the consumer at the very center, surrounded by the retail customer, and then all of us in Enzymatic Therapy are support for the consumer and the customer.
And every function at Enzymatic Therapy, whether it's marketing or sales or creative media or human resources, finance, manufacturing, shipping, all of those functions are there for one purpose, and that's to service the needs of our customers.